Never fight for someone's attention, do this 9 things instead. In today's video, we're exploring 9 powerful strategies to enhance your relationships and enrich your life. From prioritizing self-love and setting boundaries to embracing independence and creating mystery, each point holds the key to fostering genuine connections and unlocking your true potential. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth together. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. 9. Create mystery. Creating mystery can infuse your interactions with an alluring intrigue, leaving others captivated and eager to unravel the enigma of your persona. By strategically withholding certain details or leaving some aspects of yourself shrouded in mystery, you ignite curiosity and fascination in those around you. This element of intrigue not only adds depth to your relationships, but also invites others to actively engage with you, seeking to uncover the hidden layers of your personality. Embracing the art of subtlety and discretion allows you to maintain an air of mystique, drawing others closer as they yearn to uncover the secrets you hold. In cultivating this sense of mystery, you cultivate an aura of allure that keeps your interactions dynamic and compelling, leaving a lasting impression on those fortunate enough to engage with you. 8. Remember your worth. Remembering that your worth is intrinsic and not contingent upon external validation is a liberating realization that empowers you to cultivate a life rooted in self-love and authenticity. By prioritizing your own well-being and establishing healthy boundaries, you create space for genuine connections to blossom. Authenticity becomes your guiding light, attracting relationships built on mutual respect and understanding. Embracing your worth independent of external validation allows you to navigate relationships from a place of confidence and self-assurance, fostering enriching connections that uplift and support your journey. When you prioritize self-love and authenticity, you invite into your life those who appreciate and cherish you for who you truly are, resulting in relationships that nourish the soul and bring profound fulfillment. 7. Value your time. Valuing your time is akin to honoring the sanctity of your life's currency. Every moment and ounce of energy is a precious resource, deserving of careful investment. By discerningly allocating these assets to relationships and activities that bring fulfillment and growth, individuals enrich the fabric of their existence. Avoiding the squandering of time on fruitless endeavors or relationships lacking reciprocity is an act of self-respect and preservation. Redirecting these resources towards endeavors that nourish the soul and foster genuine connections ensures a life imbued with purpose and satisfaction. By valuing your time, you not only prioritize your well-being, but also cultivate a life rich in meaningful experiences and authentic connections that stand the test of time. 6. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is an act of self-preservation and self-respect, essential for fostering healthy relationships. By clearly defining and upholding your boundaries, you establish a framework that safeguards your values and well-being. It's crucial not to compromise your principles or sacrifice your mental and emotional health in the pursuit of validation or attention from others. Healthy relationships flourish when built upon a foundation of mutual respect and understanding, where both parties honor each other's boundaries. Communicating boundaries effectively ensures that your needs are met and that you maintain autonomy and agency in your interactions. By prioritizing self-care and asserting your boundaries, you create space for genuine connections based on mutual respect and appreciation, fostering relationships that are fulfilling and sustainable in the long run. 5. Embrace independence. Embracing independence is akin to nurturing a sturdy pillar of self-reliance amidst the tumultuous winds of life. By cultivating a sense of autonomy and self-sufficiency, individuals liberate themselves from the shackles of seeking constant validation or fulfillment from others. When one finds solace and contentment in their own company, they exude an aura of confidence and assurance that is inherently attractive. Others are drawn to the magnetic pull of self-assuredness and independence, recognizing the strength and resilience that emanate from within. Embracing independence not only fosters personal growth and empowerment, but also cultivates authentic connections built on mutual respect and admiration. 4. Expand your social circle. Expanding your social circle is akin to enriching the tapestry of your life with diverse colors and textures. Rather than confining yourself to the attention of a single individual, cultivating a broad network of friendships and connections opens doors to myriad experiences, perspectives, and support systems. Each new connection adds depth and richness to your life, offering unique opportunities for interaction, learning, and personal growth. By embracing diversity in your social circle, you not only broaden your horizons but also create a robust foundation of relationships that can offer solace, encouragement, and companionship in times of need. Investing in a diverse array of connections fosters resilience and strengthens the fabric of your social support network, ensuring that you're never isolated or lacking in companionship. 3. Cultivate confidence. Cultivating confidence is a transformative journey towards self-empowerment and attracting positive interactions. By prioritizing the development of self-esteem and acknowledging one's intrinsic worth, individuals project an aura of assurance and authenticity. Understanding and embracing personal value not only fosters self-respect, but also radiates a magnetic charm that captivates others. Confidence serves as a beacon, inviting genuine connections and opportunities into one's life. Through self-belief and self-assurance, individuals not only enrich their own experiences, but also inspire and uplift those around them, creating a ripple effect of positivity and empowerment in their social circles and beyond. 2. Be authentic. Authenticity is the cornerstone of genuine connection, radiating a magnetic charm that captivates others. When you embrace your true self and allow your genuine personality to shine, you invite meaningful interactions rooted in honesty and sincerity. Pretense and facade only breed frustration and shallow connections, devoid of depth and substance. By staying true to yourself, you attract those who appreciate and cherish you for who you are, fostering relationships built on mutual understanding and acceptance. Authenticity not only nurtures self-respect and confidence, but also creates a ripple effect, inspiring others to embrace their own authenticity. In a world often filled with pretense, authenticity stands out as a beacon of light, forging bonds that withstand the test of time and enriching your life with genuine connections and profound experiences. 1. Invest in self-improvement. Investing in self-improvement is akin to nurturing the most important relationship you'll ever have, the one with yourself. By dedicating time and effort to personal growth, you're not only enhancing your skills and pursuing your passions, but also nurturing your overall well-being. Whether it's learning a new skill, delving into a hobby, or prioritizing self-care, each step forward contributes to your inner growth and outward magnetism. As you evolve and become more aligned with your authentic self, your confidence shines through, drawing others to your presence like moths to a flame. This journey of self-discovery not only enriches your life, but also sets the stage for meaningful connections based on mutual respect and admiration. If he does these 9 things, they are the ones chasing you